How to download Binance app for iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download or install Binance app on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open App Store on your device. Alright, so now after you open the App Store with your account, you'll go search interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the search icon, and from here, in the search field, you'll have to type for Binance. Alright, so after you search the Binance in the App Store, you'll go search interface. So from here, you'll have to scroll down and find the app binance.us. So simply, after you find it, you'll have to just tap on this. Alright, so now from here, to install or download Binance app on your iPhone, you'll have to just tap on this get option, and after you tap on this get option, you'll have to verify with your Apple ID password. So after then, you'll be able to download Binance app on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.